Good morning, folks. It's Nola. I thought I would get back to you before I started anything, and that way I might actually get something done. Anyhow, I'm going to show you the things that I didn't show you yesterday because I lost the video that I picked up at Goodwill. This this sari was one of them. It's just going to be cut up into squares and added to those things that piles of goodies for you guys. And then I found this piece of fabric too. Love this. It's got a bit of a shine with silver in it. Got that gray, peachy color. I like this very much. So I found that one too. And then I did get a bunch of flowers. Karina, I got a set of these. I got another set here. This is just some of them. And here. These come out. I got 3 bundles of these. And they're brand new. They're spotlessly clean. Nobody's ever used them. Somebody bought them for something and changed their mind. So happy me. So anyway, Karina, we'll have to talk about this, see what you want. So let me know. So other than flowers, I've been working on some kits that I had that I never finished. This is one that's just sitting on my desk. It's a teapot with a little teacups, and a little spoon. And then inside there's a little book that I made out of the little teacups that are inside. So yeah, there's that one. And there's a spoon. Oh, they don't want to stay there. Okay, then I finished this one. It's a little violin case. Kind of cute. And this is the back. And inside is just a little case for putting goodies in. Like so. So yeah, I thought that was cute. So I did that one. Then I tackled this one. This one is a perfume bottle. And it's got this big tassel in front. And then this is how I did the first page. There. And this is the second page. Little pocket. I just put leftovers in the pockets. And then this page. This one says Cologne Boutique. And then this one says Secret and Dreams on it. It's got this on the top. Here we have Inspire on this one. And Dream on this one. And inside is this little perfume bottle. And this one has a perfume bottle and a little tag that says vintage. And then this one says happy. And another perfume bottle. 2 perfume bottles. There's 2 in that one. And then this on the top. This one has a perfume bottle on it. And then this is the back with another little perfume bottle. So that's the perfume one. So that goes together like so. Like that. And it hangs up on the wall. And then this is the one I worked on yesterday. This one is a bird cage. And this says love. But I haven't decided what I'm going to do with this yet. But here's the first page with the little flowers and the leaves and the laces and little heart bottle with beads in it. And then the dangles. And then this is the second page. This one, Love Story Never Ends. It's just got a little envelope pinned onto it and a flower up here. This one has the lace and birds. And this one has a pocket in it for cards. And then this one has pretty little blue birds. This one has this dangle with feathers. And I put an extra leaf on here. And then I put this little package on here as well. And then this page, this little furry nest for this pretty little blue bird. And this one I haven't decided what to do with yet. And then this one is a pocket. And this one, this has a tag in it, but it's actually joined on up here. Another bird, yellow bird. And another pocket on this side with these little cards in it. And then these birds, and I puffed in behind them, although it's paper, but it seemed to work. Give it a bit of a 3D dimension thing. And put the lace on the bottom. And then this one is 2 cute little birds. They got fuzzy heads on them. I thought they were sweet. This is the last page. P.S. I love you. And then on the back page is the bird cage. I like the cutout of the bird cage. So I left that on there. So those are what I have done most recently. So other than that, a little shopping, trying to get well. You know, when I tied the extra things that came in the kit on here. So if I need them, I can come back and just use them or leave them on there. It doesn't matter. But that's my day. So it takes a long time to do these things. By the time you cut out all the pictures and figure out what you're doing, they are fun though, Annie. And thank you very much for doing these wonderful kits. So that's it for me today. Hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye now.